Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Man Keeps Ramming into Police Cars, Doesn't End Well."
Officers had no idea that this driver would go to any length to escape, even if it meant killing them.
It's going to be a maroon Acura with its hazards on.
I don't understand it. Why take off? You ain't getting away. I mean, it's a select few of people that actually get away. You gonna try to pit him? Pit the move. Try and spin him. Okay, good spin, good spin. Good spin, good spin. Trap him. There we go.
Yes! Hey! Hey!
Holy crap.
418, he's taking off again, eastbound. I'm behind him, turn.
All right. I get it, right? But this officer, to me, I understand why he went on the side, but if he would have went head on, he wouldn't have got away. You know, if you would have blocked him head on, and then the other officer who was coming from behind blocked him from behind head on, he would have been pinned in. But since you went to the side, it gave him wiggle room and space to maneuver between the two cars. See what I mean? Watch.
418, pit.
Good pit. Onto the side. If he went head on, nope. You gave him too much room.
Yes! Hey! Hey!
Yep. Wiggle out of that.
418, he's taking off again, eastbound. I'm behind him, turning on Norwich.
The other guy just praying, don't hit my car, guys, please.
415, he's in the parking lot behind Taco Bell.
Oh, good job. Yep, good job. Oh, god dang. Good pit, though. You needed something to stop that vehicle. Good pit. Yeah, he done. What? He's still going? Yeah, but he's stuck, though, now. Damn, y'all giving him too much room. Hold on. Okay. There we go.
Get in! You're gonna get shot! Watch reverse! Watch reverse!
Man, if y'all don't pop them tires. This is insane.
401, he's ramming cruisers. 401, he's ramming the cruiser. Or 418, he's ramming the cruisers.
Wait, that's a girl?
Stop! You're gonna get shot! Stop! Stop! I'm going taser! I'm going taser! Get taser! Taser deployed, Dave. Taser deployed. Get your foot up.
You're done.
The pursuit, which lasted less than 3 miles, resulted in over $15,000 worth of damages to multiple patrol vehicles and a utility pole. The Acura was also linked to 2 separate hit-and-run crashes prior to this incident, but the driver was never caught.
Get the f*** out of the car! Drag him in! Get out of the f***ing car, mother!
Yeah, they gonna get him together. Or she will. Is that a guy? Oh, that's a guy.
Hold up! You're on me! You're on me!
Oh, all right. Get off his leg. You're on his leg.
Slow down.
You're on Bradford.
Slow down. You guys are.
I got cuffed. We got him.
401, we're gonna need AES and fire out here. We gotta pull down live electrical wires.
Let's do this.
Guys, watch the wires. Have them come in off main.
What an idiot.
All right. Let them know we got one in custody.
Probably gonna get a year of probation.
Here, let's get them away from these wires, Dan.
Probably get a year of probation. We know how the court system is.
I know. God damn it.
What? I already pulled them. Here, hold on.
God damn it.
Dude, I'm such a stupid idiot.
Yep.
God damn it, you guys got me. You guys got me, dude. God damn it.
You're lucky you didn't get shot, dude.
You drunk, man, or what's the deal?
Yo, he reeks.
I mean, you guys know.
Dude, I really don't think you understand how close you were to getting shot.
Yeah, you're lucky to be alive right now.
Get him.
You guys know I'm okay with that.
Yeah, well, when you sober up, you'll realize.
Let's get to a different cruiser. I want to get away from these.
Here, my cruisers.
Come on.
Put him in mine. Here, we'll just go here for now. I think all our cars are damaged.
Hey, you guys are badasses, dude. I'm sorry. You guys are badasses. Damn it. You know what I mean? You got me. You got me.
You want to just throw a wire in with him?
No, pull that out.
Got the city cops and the sheriffs working
Dude,
together.
you guys, I'm so sorry, dude.
Where's the other?
Lean forward.
Yeah, I got you. Tell me what you want me to do. I know y'all got families, dude. I'm so sorry, dude. Dude, I'm such an
Might
idiot.
just be looped through the.
Let me see if I can just pull it out of him.
Dude, I'm so sorry with your families, bro.
I think it's just looped.
Yeah, it's just looped. All right. Just hang tight. You good, bub?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
A blood draw at the hospital confirmed the driver to be severely intoxicated. His BAC was 0.24, more than thrice the legal limit, while a high level of THC was also detected in his blood, which was about 5 times the legal cutoff.
Bro, what the f?
I did not expect that, man. He wouldn't stop. Carefully throw up on the front seat.
Oh, that's awesome. No, I think it's chicken dip. I don't see a wallet anyway. What's up, gentlemen?
His headlights in my car, dude.
It'll rub out.
That's what I'm saying. His headlights in my car.
Man, that's...
I mean, it was a hard pit over there on Norwich.
He about got shot.
I heard it.
Yeah, it was.
My spikes are sitting on
We had all the cars around. He just kept backing up and ramming the cars, back up, ramming the cars, trying to get out.
I don't see anything across lamps.
Yeah, I don't either.
Looks like cheese or puke on the seafood.
Yeah, it's actually chip dip. There's just Tostitos down here too in a crock pot. Well, he hit right here and he slammed my door back closed, so it might be fine, but thankfully my leg wasn't in there. Yeah. Otherwise, I pulled it up just in time.
Troopers out there too.
I know what we're gonna have to do.
Wow.
I happen to be right, right place, right time.
That was okay.
Yeah,
State troopers, sheriffs, and the city cops.
Up a little bit, but
I mean, we'll get to that later.
Not even going in. You want me to search it, incident to arrest, or you know?
Are we clear?
Well, you know what? That's a good question. I don't know.
There's no wires laying on it. It's sparked like big time when it fell.
I know. I couldn't believe that thing came down, man.
you want to step out with me? You need some help, my dude.
No, I got you. We're gonna get you checked out at the hospital, okay?
I mean, it appears you need some help, my friend.
We're gonna have a seat right
All right,
here.
you do what you gotta do.
Put your butt right in that crease.
Oh, we got some. Yep. And then yep, just all this back.
We'll just switch my cuffs now. All right, so I'm going to release your left hand. This right hand's going to stay cuffed.
Okay.
And it's going to get cuffed to the couch. Okay.
Sure. So I'm right in front here.
Hey,
I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Take this one off, and Gavin's gonna put his other one on.
This jacket. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Sweatshirt off.
There we go. Look at this nice movement. Nice movement. I'm in front here.
Go ahead and lay back.
Anybody want to cuff me?
Right. Yeah,
front?
we got you, man.
My man. My
Lock
man.
these so they don't get tight on you.
It's okay. Well, here we go, fellas. There we go.
It's a real f***ing funny situation.
It was an even funnier situation at the hospital when the male attempted to escape down the hallway while awaiting a CT scan, but was quickly apprehended and secured. The 33-year-old male was charged with 3 counts of felony assault on a peace officer, fleeing, 2 counts of escaping, 3 counts of operating while intoxicated, failure to comply with order or signal of a police officer, reckless operation, marked continuous lanes, vandalism, and multiple other traffic offenses. He pleaded not guilty to the compliance charges and is being held at the jail on a $100,000 cash-only bond. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Damn, that's what he looked like? That was crazy. Man. For what? Like, this don't even... You that bored? You just want to go out and cause havoc. Yeah, they needed to... Yeah, they should have had him on that first one. See, because if they would have caught him on that first pit maneuver... When he hit him, boom, spun him. The one cop, boom, traps him head on. The other one, trapping from behind. Done. That's the end of it. That would have been the end of it right there. At least until the other officers would arrive, and then it could have been ended right there. But since they gave him that wiggle room, now you got the electrical pole out and more damage to other vehicles, and just like it just. But whatever, it is what it is, you know. It is what it is, man. That's a wild one, but good thing all the officers made it home safe, man. Made it home to their families. This guy needs... I would give him probably 10 years, man. You got to sit down for a while. Like, at least he 33. At least give him 7. Kiss the rest of your 30s goodbye. Like, bye. We'll catch you in your 40s, man. Your 30s is done. You're done. We gonna catch you in your 40s. You know, just skip the rest of this. We'll see you in your 40s, man. Cause that was just completely uncalled for. And then you got 2 other hit and runs that you weren't caught for. Like, you know, I know they don't be doing nothing for them hit and runs. We just seen the chick. I just released a video on the girl who she got her hit and run or whatever. She did 2 hit and runs. And guess what? She got 6 months probation, man. 6 months probation. That's what she got for 2 hit and runs. Golly. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video. Y'all see my light behind me went out, so I gotta go get it right. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get officers a 5. Glad they made it home safe. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.